Welcome to our freezer production workshop. Now, I am standing in the first sample area of the freezer workshop. All orders will first be made into first samples for confirmation before mass production. Our freezers are available from 40 liters to 800 liters. We also offer a variety of optionals. For example, you can choose white or gray for the color. The door handle and lock, LED lights, and the inside glass sliding doors are all optional. You can also choose between white liner or aluminum liner. If you are interested, please contact us to get more relevant information.